So now we have to replace this particular knob. So you can see that this position of this thing is in the vertical position. So what happened, you cannot lift the cap actually. For lifting the cap, you have to turn this knob actually. Okay. So this is in the off position. We have to in the off position. Now in the bottom there is, you can see a black bush. So you have to, using your hands like this, press it up. So we can press and turn. So now we can remove it safely. It has to be in the off position. If it is in its on position, what happens? You cannot lift up this thing. Once you turn into off position, you can see, okay, you can lift it up. Okay, now we have removed this one. So this is the old cylinder. So you have to fix into the new cylinder. Okay, now we have to fix this adapter to the new cylinder. So for that, there is this thing you have to pull up using this thing. Okay, place it on the knob, then pull up and press down and leave it. Okay, so it is fixed. Now it is strongly fixed. You can see that. Okay, then you can switch on the gas to check it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now the gas is in the on position. Now we have to check it's working or not. So first, switch on the stove. Using the lighter, you can start it. Okay, so gas is properly connected. Switch off the thing. Okay, so this is how we connect change the cylinder of new cylinder to the particular gas stove. Thank you so much. So what are the steps? First, you have to remove the sealing of the new cylinder. Then you have to remove the adapter from the cylinder by lifting it up, but that time it has to be in the off position, then only you can lift it up. Then fix it to the new cylinder, this adapter, by pulling it up. Then switch on the gas and light it up the stove and see how it is working. So after the operation of our cooking, you have to turn off this knob for safety. Otherwise also there is no problem, but it is advised to turn it off whenever you are not using. So this is all about how to change the new cylinder to the gas stove. Thank you so much for watching. So let's see how to remove the sealing of the new cylinder before we assemble into our gas stove. So you can just remove the sealing. There is a coating is given for safety. So, and you can see there is a small pin here. Okay, so you have to lift it up to remove this. For that, there is a thread provided. You have to pull this thread. So you can see it will be coming out, and then you have to lift up using your hand. See, it is already taken out. Okay, so this is how we remove the cap of the cylinder. Now let's fix to the another thing.